guys, what's up? It's Gone in 60 here. Gonna do something a little bit different today on the channel. This is something I'm doing for my Dodge Challenger 2019 Scat Pack. This actually can be done really on any car. I don't know if you guys ever get in your car when the AC's on and it smells like a dirty foot or a dirty sock or something not very good. So occasionally I get in here and my AC power's on, I'm wondering what that is. What happens is sometimes condensation gets left in some of the air ducts and therefore causes mold or bacteria, and that's why you kind of get that smell. So today I'm actually going to show you guys how you can actually get rid of that smell. You're going to want to do obviously is have your car running. You're going to want to turn your AC all the way up, so you can see that's all the way up. You don't want to recirculate the air, you want fresh air coming in, so just leave it like that, and then I'll go on the outside of the car and show you guys what to do. But before I do that, go ahead and make sure and roll the windows down, and I'll show you guys what it is that I'm doing. Okay, so essentially all we're going to do is just take some disinfectant spray and just kind of spray it really good. I'm into this area. This is where your cabin air filter is, and it kind of filters out the air for the system. So just going to go ahead and spray just a little bit on there and just try and clean this out. Alright guys, so that's it. That should help it a lot better in there. Let me guys know what you think. If you guys have any other tips or tricks on how to get rid of that smell or the, just kind of that odor when the AC comes on, let me know. But that is the best way that I personally know how to do it. So thanks for guys for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.